Mag-hike me, guys. We're gonna go in the bushes. Love, are you sure? Wala ito na ko matape. Hi PJ. Hi Sophia. Hello everything. Mag-hike sa amin ha, magkapoy-kapoy sa amin. Muna among pinipin siya sa muha mig bayabas. Hi guys, we are on our hike to go to the spring. Oh my. Hi guys. Oh. It's Christy. Welcome to my channel, Charan. Asami guys. Asami padulong. Asami padulong. Hinaya atong pedicure ha. Hmm? Ano na natug asa tapadung ron taon-taon? Huh? We'll see. Nilang musiksi si mami samot anilang kay sige ka og pakarga sa ako lang. Hi guys, I'm sweating so hard. DJ, say hi. DJ, say hi. Where are we going? To the spring. To the spring.
The picture.
I'm sweating so hard. She's hiking down. Good job. Good job, you guys. Charan. I think it's high tide. Nana, abot na ta, but it's high tide. It's very high tide. Hala, iduot rago dong akong sinilas dong. We're down here at the river, guys, and it's high tide, so we can't see the spring, but it's okay. We get to see the river. It's pretty. There's the gang. They're tired. There's Sophia. Where's your slippers, boy? You holding it? Okay.
Oops.
Come on, keep going.
You don't have a sleeper?
Also, man ang mga slippers ni TJ. Come on, Sophia. Anduha? Okay. Hi guys, this is the view of Salag River. We hiked to get here, about probably 12 to 15-minute hike. I got a baby complaining in the background, so we have to go. I am sweating hard. I have a baby in the background rushing us, so we gotta get going, guys. But anyways, this is the hike to get to the spring, but it's high tide, so we can't see the spring, but it's okay. We got some sweat, so that's good. That's great. Thank you for watching. Uli nami guys. Kapoy guys. Kapoy among hike. But susulitin. Uli nami sa amo ang panimulay. Si TJ na lamba. Kaya nagchinilas ni siya. Chinilas sa iyang ate. Thank you guys for watching.